Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Last Book Picture Channel. It's again Rishi. Today we are going to create a loose painting with watercolors. So let's get started. So now we are going to add leaves over this river so that it creates a depth and give us an illusion for a river. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. And I also created one of the same techniques. You can click over this video and watch it. So see you in the next video.